Hi there and welcome to Tech Titans. In today's video, I'll guide you how to fix the automatic repair loop on Windows PC. First of all, click on Advanced Options. Okay, once you are in this page, click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Once you are in Advanced Options, then click on Uninstall Updates. Then choose an option, either you can uninstall the latest quality updates or uninstall latest features. Then see if that fixes, and if not, then go to the next step. Click on Startup Repair. This option fixes problems that keep Windows from loading. Be patient and let it finish. Alright, so if you are still facing this issue, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Now click on Command Prompt. Click your account and input your password as well, and then click on Continue. This time we will execute some commands. Now type this command. This command will check for disk error on your system. Now type sfc /scan now. Now press enter. It will scan for system files and it may take a few minutes to finish. Once it's completed, let's move to the next command. Type the following command and then press enter. Now press enter. Go to this next command. Type bootrex /fix boot, then press enter. If it is showing access denied, don't worry, it requires a higher permission, so just ignore it. Now type exit. Click on continue to see whether it is working or not. Well, as you can see, it is working, so this is how we can fix automatic repair loop. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and click on subscribe button.